Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of technology and gadgets with our roundup of the top 8 coolest gadgets that are sure to enhance your life. And you can easily buy from Amazon. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love cool gadgets, we've got something for everyone on this list. So let's jump right in. 8. Organizer Corner Rack. The Organizer Corner Rack is a versatile and practical storage solution designed to optimize corner spaces in homes or offices. This intelligently crafted piece of furniture is ideal for maximizing storage capacity without occupying excessive floor space, making it an excellent choice for smaller rooms or areas where efficient use of space is paramount. Typically made from sturdy materials like wood, metal, or a combination thereof, the Organizer Corner Rack offers durability and stability while complementing various interior styles with its sleek and contemporary design. One of the standout features of the Organizer Corner Rack is its ability to transform underutilized corners into valuable storage areas. Whether used in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, or offices, this rack provides ample shelving or cabinet space to store books, decorative items, kitchen essentials, office supplies, or even multimedia equipment. Its multi-tiered shelves or compartments are strategically designed to accommodate different items of varying sizes, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. 7. Coin and Tissue. Coin tissues, also known as compressed or magic towels, are innovative products designed for convenience in personal hygiene and travel. These tiny coin-shaped pellets expand into a full-size, reusable towel or wipe when immersed in water. This compact design makes them extremely portable and space-saving, ideal for outdoor activities, emergencies, or situations where access to water is limited. Coin tissues are typically made from biodegradable materials like cotton or bamboo, ensuring they are environmentally friendly. They come in various sizes and types, including dry and pre-moistened options, catering to different needs from personal hygiene to first aid. Their versatility, eco-friendliness, and ease of use make coin tissues a practical choice for individuals and organizations looking for efficient solutions in hygiene and cleanliness on the go. 6. The Conab Backpack with 3D printed flexible. The Conab Backpack stands out as a cutting-edge innovation in the world of backpacks, featuring a unique blend of functionality and advanced technology. What sets the Conab Backpack apart is its utilization of 3D printing technology to create flexible components that enhance comfort, durability, and adaptability. Unlike traditional backpacks that rely on rigid materials, the Conab Backpack integrates 3D printed flexible parts strategically throughout its design. One of the key benefits of incorporating 3D printed flexible parts is the ability to tailor the backpack's fit and feel to individual ergonomic needs. The flexibility allows the backpack to conform more closely to the wearer's body, providing a comfortable and ergonomic experience even during extended wear. This feature is particularly advantageous for travelers, students, and outdoor enthusiasts who require a backpack that can adapt seamlessly to various activities and environments. The use of 3D printing technology enables precise customization of design elements, such as intricate patterns or structural reinforcements, without compromising on strength or weight. This results in a backpack that is not only lightweight and durable, but also aesthetically distinctive. The flexible parts contribute to the overall durability of the backpack, offering resilience against everyday wear and tear while maintaining its shape and integrity over time. 5. Smart Camera Lens. A smart camera lens represents a significant advancement in photography technology, integrating cutting-edge features to enhance both the functionality and versatility of traditional camera lenses. Unlike conventional lenses, which primarily focus on optical performance, smart camera lenses incorporate intelligent capabilities enabled by digital connectivity and embedded sensors. One of the key features of a smart camera lens is its ability to communicate wirelessly with other devices, such as smartphones or tablets, via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This connectivity allows photographers to remotely control various settings, such as aperture, focus, and zoom directly from their mobile devices. It also facilitates seamless sharing of photos and videos in real time, enhancing workflow efficiency and creative collaboration. Smart camera lenses often include built-in sensors and processors that enable advanced functionalities like image stabilization, autofocus tracking, and automatic scene recognition. These features contribute to improved image quality and sharpness, especially in challenging shooting conditions such as low light or fast-moving subjects. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, algorithms may also optimize settings automatically based on scene analysis, ensuring optimal results with minimal user input. 4. Pagi V2 Wi-Fi Hacking Made. The Pagi V2 is a notable advancement in the realm of ethical hacking and cybersecurity education, designed to simulate and demonstrate Wi-Fi hacking techniques in a controlled and educational environment. It serves as a portable, self-contained device that leverages Raspberry Pi technology and custom software to explore and exploit vulnerabilities in Wi-Fi networks. The Pagi V2 operates as a sophisticated Wi-Fi hacking tool capable of capturing and analyzing wireless network traffic. It utilizes specialized software packages like Pagi and BetterCap, which are pre-installed and configured to automate the process of sniffing Wi-Fi packets, conducting deauthentication attacks, and cracking passwords through brute force or dictionary attacks. The device's interface is user-friendly and accessible, making it suitable for both beginners looking to learn about network security fundamentals and experienced professionals testing their skills in real-world scenarios. Its compact size and battery-powered operation allow it to be deployed discreetly for penetration testing exercises or security audits. 3. iPhone 4S Wallframe. Repurposing an iPhone 4S into a wallframe blends nostalgia with practicality, offering a unique way to showcase technology in a home decor setting. The iPhone 4S, known for its compact size and iconic design, becomes the centerpiece of this DIY project. Selecting a suitable frame is crucial. It should complement the iPhone's dimensions while enhancing its visual appeal. Mounting the iPhone securely within the frame ensures stability, using either adhesive tape or hooks to keep it in place. Optionally, keeping the iPhone plugged in with a USB charger maintains its display functionality, turning it into a dynamic digital photo frame or a clock. This project not only breathes new life into old technology but also adds a personalized touch to interior spaces, reflecting a blend of creativity, functionality, and a nod to technological nostalgia. Whether hung in a living room, bedroom, or office, the iPhone 4S wall frame serves as a conversation piece and a testament to the enduring charm of Apple's classic design. Repurposing an iPhone 4S into a wall frame transforms outdated technology into a functional and nostalgic piece of decor. 2. Palatino Clock Lamp. The Palatino clock lamp is a distinctive fusion of practical lighting and timeless design, seamlessly blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. This innovative piece combines the functionality of a lamp with the classic elegance of a clock, making it a versatile addition to any interior space. Crafted with attention to detail, the Palatino clock lamp typically features a sleek and minimalist design, often incorporating high-quality materials such as polished metals or fine woods to enhance its visual appeal. The Palatino clock lamp serves dual purposes, providing ambient or task lighting while also displaying time with precision. This dual functionality makes it ideal for bedside tables, desks, or living room side tables, where it can serve as both a decorative accent and a practical timekeeping device. The integration of a clock into the lamp design not only adds functionality but also imbues the space with a sense of sophistication and refinement. The Palatino clock lamp often boasts clean lines and a neutral color palette, ensuring it complements various decor styles from modern to traditional. Some models may feature additional features such as dimmable lighting options, adjustable lamp heads, or even integrated charging ports for added convenience. 1. Mimo Lab Phone Microscope. The Mimo Lab Phone Microscope is an innovative device that harnesses the power of modern smartphone technology to transform your mobile device into a powerful microscope. This compact and portable accessory allows users to explore the microscopic world with ease and precision, directly using their smartphone as the viewing screen and capturing device. Key features of the Mimo Lab Phone Microscope include its simplicity and versatility. It typically consists of a lens attachment that securely clips onto the smartphone camera, aligning perfectly to provide magnification capabilities. This attachment is often accompanied by an adjustable LED light source, ensuring adequate illumination for clear and detailed observation of microscopic specimens. And there you have it, our top 8 coolest gadgets that are sure to enhance your life in unique ways. Which one caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and gadget showcases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.